Let's take a brief look into some of the low-carb veggies to consider during a keto diet. Low-carb veggies are an important part of the ketogenic diet. In fact, many veggies can be eaten quite freely when following a keto diet. The general rule would be to focus on vegetables that grow above the ground. Above-ground vegetables are usually lower in carbs than those that grow underground. All foods are comprised of macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fat. While meat and most dairy are primarily made up of protein or fat, vegetables contain primarily carbs. Here are some of the best vegetables to eat when on the keto diet. This is not an extensive keto vegetable list but a great starting guide. The carb amounts are per 100 grams of vegetables. 1. Cauliflower, 3 grams carbs. 2. Cabbage, 3 grams carbs. 3. Broccoli, 4 grams carbs. 4. Zucchini, 3 grams carbs. 5. Spinach, 1 gram carbs. 6. Asparagus, 2 grams carbs. 7. Kale, 3 grams carbs. 8. Green beans, 4 carbs. 9. Brussels sprouts, 5 carbs. 10. Celery, 1 gram carbs. 11. Cucumber, 3 grams carbs. When following the keto diet, vegetables with less than 5 net carbs can be eaten freely. Adding oils, butter or other sauces to your vegetables can add flavor and taste to your meals but also helps you to get the macronutrients you need each day along with the fats needed for your keto-friendly diet plan. When following the ketogenic diet, is it important that less than 5% of your daily calorie intake is from carbs? When you're aiming to eat less than 20 grams of carbs a day, vegetables can be a great source of energy and nutrition. Kickstart your weight loss journey. Access all keto diet resources, tips and informational guides to help you out. Try keto diet today.